Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's take a look at Toby, Carvery, China Gardens at Festival Park. It's in a beautiful location here. Next door to China Gardens is the marina, Festival Park Marina, and you can sit outside, have a beer, watch the canal boats go by, and you can just make out there's a rainbow there, and just got in the clouds, you just make out the rainbow. This is a fantastic location. I love it round here. I know we pop in there for a few pints, now and again. Sometimes a meal if we feel like it. Yes, it's a lovely stretch of canal as part of. We've got China Gardens there, do decent meals. Look at that view through the trees. Some narrowboats moored up outside, enjoying what's the name? Being moored up. I love looking through the trees. That's why sometimes you get the angle right, you get a nice picture or something like that. So we take a walk up here. And it brings you onto the car park of the Toby Carvery China Gardens. If you go down that path there, that takes you onto the industrial estate where all the warehouses are. Bet 365. There's also Brindley Farm that way as well, so if you want to go Brindley Farm instead of this one, you've got a choice there. We'll go over the bridge and over the canal. That way takes you to Middleport. This canal takes you to Middleport, and then onwards to Longport, past Westport Lake, into Castle Tunnel. So this is the car park for Toby Carvery. We're just on his way out here. So I mean, there really some lovely meals in that pub. A large selection of drinks to choose from as well. I've been going there for years. So we take a walk up here. We go down this street here. I think it's this street or the next one, I'm not sure. There's a tower over there. You can see that little tower there. Does anybody know what it is? I was walking past and I noticed it and I thought, I wonder what that tower is. It's all fenced off, you can't go in there, so I'm not sure it's private land. So anyway, we're walking towards the 10-pin bowling, which is here. Got 10-pin there, which is the 10-pin bowling place. Next door to it is the Odeon cinema. So got the Odeon cinema there. I believe there used to be a nightclub there as well, and a snooker club, if I remember rightly, back years ago. So I mean, Festival Park's not too bad really. It's bad for traffic, but shopping wise, it's not too bad. Shopping, depending on what you want. You've got to go outdoors. You've got B&Q. You've got Next, and you've got B&M. You've got Home Bargains. You've got Morrison's, and you've got some restaurants to choose from, like Popeyes, KFC, McDonald's, Five Guys, Greg's, whatever takes your fancy. So you've got a good selection to choose from, really. mean, I like going and we go outdoors shop, I do. So I'm going to pop in there eventually because I want some new walking shoes myself. So we'll go up this footbridge here, what takes us over the main road. And in the distance you can see the flyover. The flyover, which will come into view soon. It's just over there. All the cars and lights going over. There's the flyover. If you go straight up there, past the flyover that way, you see Hanley. You see them buildings in Hanley, don't you? That's Hanley. It's not a bad place really, Festival Park. All this land here, where we are now, all this, where that cinema is, and Tempin Bowl, all that land there used to be the National Garden Festival back in the day. And I've been to the National Garden Festival, it was massive. It was huge. We would have cable cars and everything. It was brilliant. Big massive ice creams. Oh yeah. Lovely place to walk around. And even had a bridge that goes over the canal, which has been sealed off, so lovely place to visit. When this all came, we were after the National Garden Festival. So, shops, children. You can cut down to the car park now. This is the car park here. That takes us to all the shops. In front of us we've got Next. That's the first shop we come to, Next. This used to be Toys R Us years ago. I really miss Toys R Us because you can spend ages in there looking at stuff, even if you weren't buying anything, you know. You just want to have a look and spend ages in there looking at stuff. It was nice. I did miss Toys R Us. I wish they'd come back. I mean, I've seen so many things on social media saying, you know, Toys R Us are making them come back. Walrus are making them come back. I don't think they will. It's too risky now anyway if they come back. So let me know in the comments, guys, what shop you'd like to see come back. I mean, there's loads of shops I can think of, but I'd like to see back what we used to have in Hanley. We used to have a shop called the Bratton Dark, and that was an amazing shop. I think it was on 4 floors, and it had model railways, scale extras, and radio control cars, model die-cast cars. Everything was all quality toys. It was brilliant to us. That's one of my favourite shops back in the past. We've got here Next and River Island, which is next door to Next. I think it's all in one shop. I'm not sure if we merged. Have Next and River Island merged together. I'm not sure. It's quite a big car park, this is. So always remember where you parked your car, because you could probably get lost. Let me know in the comments, guys, what shops you'd like to see come back. I mean, Wolves, don't get me wrong, Wolves was quite a good shop back in the day. When I used to buy my records from there, sometimes you used to see what records they're going, and if you got a record, I don't want to buy it. Quite a lot of shops I'd like to see come back, even bakeries back in the day. We used to have a really nice bakery in Stoke. It's called Beer Cheesies. And I tell you what, it was out of this world, pasties, sausage rolls. And they even make you a wedding cake and a Christmas cake if you pre-ordered. You pre-ordered it. Oh, and the taste and the smell of the bakery, you don't get that nowadays. So we're just walking past Boots now. There's Boots. Also New Look here as well. We've got New Look. We're just going up to go outdoors, I think. Go outdoors is here as well. It's quite a big shop. And over there you've got Popeyes, which is recently just opened. I think it's been open about 2 or 3 months now, if that. And next door to there, obviously, you've got Greg's and Five Guys. To be fair, Five Guys, I like Five Guys. So last time I had Five Guys, I was in Manchester. I thought to myself it was on a bit of the expensive side, but when you come to think of it as well, you get 3 refills on the pop, so if you like your pop. I mean, I only have one cup of pop, but I don't have a refill really, because I'll be backwards and forwards to the toilet all day. So I wonder what this building is going to be. There's some weird going on in this building here. So I'm just wondering if that's going to be an extension for JD Sports or something, or it's going to be something else, I don't know. So that's another thing we can look forward to. So we've got JD Sports there, we're just walking past now. We've also got a travel agency with Toby. How's that pronounced? Toby. I always used to say T-U-I. T-U-I. We've got Super Jug here. We like a Super Jug. It's quite, I mean, look at all these shops are quite big. They're quite big shops as well. And then the glass, as you're walking past the glass, you can see the clouds reflecting from the glass. This is amazing. We have tappy carpets. The carpet cut down. 50% off, isn't it? Got a sale on there. Oh yes, we've got B&M here. We've got B&M here. Go across the other side where Richard didn't film. There's the Own Bargains. So you've got B&M and Own Bargains opposite each other. These are quite big shops, these are. And in front of us now where the cars are going up and down. We've got the Morrisons across there. And Starbucks. Which is on part of Morrison's side. The traffic up here today was horrendous. It was just like stop, start. The traffic was. You're just walking up here now. There's a lovely statue in the middle of the roundabout up here. Soldier holding a gun. And every time my dad comes to Morrison's to do his shopping, and every time he comes past that soldier, he always saluted to that soldier. Good. My father was proud. He was proud to have been in the Royal Marines. He used to be the Royal Marines 40 Commando. And all the stories he's told me about his training exercise that he used to have to do. It's phenomenal. He was very proud to have joined the Royal Marines. In fact, he used to be in the Royal Marines band as well. So, yeah. So we walk up here, we've just gone past Morrison's here, this is on the left. So we're just going up this way now. This way it takes you to Cambridge. On the right we have Curry's. We can't really see about every walk that really proper. So we've got KFC there. And just behind KFC you've got Halfords. Yeah, you've got Curry's there as well. And some other shops over there. Anyway guys, coming to the end of the video now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, put your thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll see you on the next video. So take care guys, be safe and enjoy the outdoors.